Sindh government has closed its eyes and ears on the case of Faisal Memon, who plays the most important role of corruption in the Sindh Building Control Authority and runs the PTA system in Karachi. There is no one who can stand against it or stop him. This is the reason Faisal Memon is enjoying the person who is licking the institution like a termite has recently built up properties in Jumeirah, the most expensive area of Dubai. Faisal Memon is also involved in prohibited funding that may also be used in terrorist activities. According to the sources, sensitive institutions have started investigations related to Faisal Memon.